So out of all the things I've taught myself out of Escape from Tarkov, I think killing is going to be the most important because if you can't kill, you're not going to be as profitable as you could be in Escape from Tarkov. Um, the one thing I had the biggest issue is spraying, and unless you're going to be spending 200k on a fully modded HK or an M4 and seeing these people with elite level recoil control and assault rifle, how do you make your buck um, for a new player? This gun right here is like $100,000. You can see it's not like best in class slot, doesn't have like RK2, but it's got like pretty decent compensation. Doesn't even have a nice buttstock. It just has rubber, but the gun still has lots of recoil. So if you go into your hideout, you can see that a gun like this still has pretty decent kick, and a gun like the AK-74U has even more kick. But I've spent quite a decent amount of money to make this what it is already. So most people when they're going to start shooting are going to be wanting to like be stationary holding alt, and they're going to like either like aim for the head or like aim for the body and spray. And this isn't like Counter-Strike where like aiming for the chest and pulling down is really easy when you first start. So instead of staying stationary, number one, my favorite method is keep on walking. So if you keep walking, you can aim pretty well on a body, and it makes you a very hard target to hit. Number two is, if you want to spray somebody, instead of aiming for their chest at distance, and doing that, you aim at their feet, and do that. Number one, it breaks their legs, and number two, it makes them immobile so that your shots will be on target even more. So what I like to do is, let's say I'm going to be aiming at the target right here. I don't see him yet, but as soon as I come out, I'm not going to stop walking, and I'm just going to full spray. So my shots don't go up and come down, they start at the bottom and come up. And with a gun that's even a bit better, you get even better results. So I think movement is your friend, but if you start aiming at the chest, you're going to have a harder time because it comes down.